Morning meditation for women. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes and let's begin. Start by taking a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold the breath for a count of 4, and then exhale slowly and completely through your mouth for a count of 6. Let's repeat this breathing pattern once again, allowing each breath to relax you more and more. Filling your lungs completely. Hold the breath for a count of 4. Then exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. As you continue this rhythmic breathing, imagine a gentle waterfall cascading down from a serene mountain. The sound of the flowing water soothes your mind, washing away any stress, any worry, any doubt, any fear. With each breath, visualize the waterfall's pure energy entering your body, cleansing each cell, revitalizing each cell. Feel the healing power of the waterfall, rejuvenating you from within. Now let's focus on gratitude. Think about 3 things you are grateful for in your life. It can be a loving relationship, a personal achievement, or simply the gift of a new day. As you express gratitude, notice how it fills your heart with joy and appreciation. As the sun rises in the garden of meditation, its warm rays touch your skin, creating a sense of comfort and serenity. Feel the sun's energy infusing you with positivity and strength. Imagine a radiant golden aura surrounding you, protecting and empowering you throughout the day. With this aura, you feel confident and ready to face any challenge that may arise. Let's take a moment to set an intention for your morning. Think about how you want to approach the day and what qualities you wish to embody. Repeat this intention in your mind, affirming your readiness to embrace the day's opportunities. As you continue breathing deeply, let go of any self-doubt or negative thoughts that may try to linger. Trust your inner wisdom. Trust your capabilities. Know that you, strong woman, are deserving of love, success, and happiness. Now bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the rise and the fall of your chest with each inhale and exhale. Allow your breath to anchor you in the present moment, fostering a sense of calm and clarity. As we near the end of this meditation, take a moment to thank yourself for dedicating this time to nourishing your mind, to nourishing your body, and nourishing your spirit. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, feeling refreshed and centered. Carry the positive energy from this meditation with you all throughout your day, knowing you are strong, you are capable, and you are deserving of all the good that awaits you. Remember, you can always return to this meditation whenever you need a moment of peace and self-care. Have a wonderful and empowering day ahead.